Hey everyone, welcome to this advanced HA Tunnel Plus guide. Our goal is to configure HA Tunnel Plus for enhanced security, improved privacy, and a more stable browsing experience. First, open the Google Play Store, search for HA Tunnel Plus, and install the app. Upon launching, you'll see a clean interface running in direct internet mode. In this mode, the app is in its simplest form, without advanced protection or customization. To boost security and privacy, the first step is to turn on Custom Setup. This reveals all the advanced tunneling options, giving you deeper control over how the app handles your traffic. Tap the drop-down menu to find several connection modes. These modes include Imported Config for .hat files, DNST Tunnel for DNS queries, and Custom Host Header for HTTP host entries. You also have Custom Payload for TCP payload strings, Custom SNI for SSL/TLS negotiation, and Direct Connection as a basic mode. For Imported Config, choose and load the .hat file. For DNST Tunnel, enter the necessary DNS values. For Custom Host Header, type the required host value. For Custom Payload, paste the required payload string. For Custom SNI, enter the domain needed during SSL/TLS negotiation. After selecting your connection mode, choose your server and port. Before connecting, carefully review all entries, as a small mistake can interrupt the process. Once everything is correct, tap Start to activate your secure and customized HA Tunnel Plus session. Happy tunneling!